Hello all my guys, gals, and non-binary pals, and I'm here today to teach you how to edit videos with Hitfilm Express 14. First we start a new project, and we wait for it to load, and here we go. And now we over here with media, we import media. We click what media we want to load. I'm going to upload my intro first. No. Now we upload some more media to a video I actually want to edit. Here we go. This is something I just recorded a few minutes ago, teaching how to download Pixelmon. Now I'm going to actually put my head... Well, actually, no, there's no point in that because it's audio coming from the computer. Okay. Okay, now to use the slice tool to cut something out that you want, you just come over here, click slice. You would come to wherever you want to slice it at. Usually you probably have this bar over it, and you click slice, and then you slice the outer section of the end of where you want to slice it to, like this. Okay. Okay. And then you'd click remove, but I don't want to remove that. If you want to undo a slice, you come up to edit, click undo slice, and undo it again because I don't want to slice it, and boom, there you go. Okay, that's about all there is to what I do for edits. If you want to add background music, you can just add another audio track. I click here and you click insert track, and then that does that. I don't think I'm going to add background music to this one. And if you want to add a second video track, you add that there on top of that one, and the other video will still be playing while it plays this one. But I'm not going to do any of that. I didn't know that could happen. But, yes. That's somehow to do basic editing with Hitfilm Express. If you want to know how to do more stuff, you can ask me down in the comments, and I'll do my best to find that answer for you. But that's about all I've been using so far. I love all you guys, gals, and non-binary pals a long time, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.